Okay, so again, we're going to go to make sure you're in drafts. All right, so you just see the articles that haven't been published. And now we're going to go through, let's just say we've gone through all 10 pages, which I haven't. That's something I'll have you do. And I've deleted the articles I don't want to publish. So now I'm left with the articles I do want to publish. So now the next task is to, again, we want to switch it to, well, we may or may not want to, but I don't want, this long title here is going to end up on the end of this URL here. Okay, this. And I don't want that. It's too long. So we're going to go in and we're going to hit the quick edit button. Okay? In case you missed that. It's the quick edit button. All right. The educator car buyer saves, leaving the car dealership with your car in pride. I'm going to just get rid of that. And we want, since we already, I think I published an article for today, I'm going to change the date to tomorrow. Again, the goal is to have one article per day being published, so it's automatic. We have to change the time. It's very important. That's the minutes too. Just randomly change them. This is the educated car buyer, so I think it was about new cars. We have to change this to published mode status. If we don't, it will not publish. And then we have to create a tag. I'm going to say educated car buyer saves. Leave this stuff. We want to leave the allow comments, the allow pings box, and leave that one blank. Leave those. Okay, so then we've gone through, we've shortened the URL because I don't like big super long URLs. We've scheduled it to publish for tomorrow because today is May 4th. We've changed the time. It's important so it doesn't conflict. Search engines don't like it. If they see an article published, even if it's published every day or every other day, if they see it's published at the exact same time, which is here and here, it looks like it's being done by a robot, and they don't want that. So it's very important that not only do you change the day that it gets published, so today, this was May 5th, so the next article will publish for May 6th, but it's very important you always change the time. Even if it's 30 minutes, even if it's the same hour, but it's 30 minutes or 25 minutes apart, or 20, it'd be preferable to make it kind of uneven. Okay, and then the categories, we changed that, or maybe we didn't, it was the same. Published, I added the tags, and then we hit update post. So now that will end up in that's scheduled. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. How to build an electric car. Okay, this article, I'm going to change it. How to build an electric car, converting your car into an electric car. That's still pretty long. Convert your car. And we're going to change this to 06 because yes, we just did the other one. We're going to change the date. Again, it's random. I'm going to unclick the category buy new cars because it's not about new cars. It's about building a car. But it's about a green car, an electric car, green. I'm going to change this to that's better. How to convert your car into an electric car. We go here and we change this to published. We add the tags. Convert your car into electric car. And then we're going to hit update post, and that will now schedule it to be published for the day after tomorrow. Okay, so you can see here, scheduled, scheduled. This was the last one. Let's move to the next one. Quick edit, used car dealers and how to avoid buying a lemon car. Let's just change that to this, because that's the main focus, is how to avoid buying a lemon car. Buying new cars is okay. Let's change it to the 7th. And you don't have to put the 0, by the way, if it's coming before. Let's change this to 16, whatever, 33. Change this to published. We have the tag. Avoid buying lemon car. Update post. See, so there's the tags now. Let's go to the next one. Actually, I'm going to, instead of buying a new car, I'm going to go to this one because it's a different subject. I'm going to change the URL, shorten it, a guide to hand washing your car. We want this one to start on the 8th. Change the time. Random. We're going to change the category on, let's see, what will we change it? I'm going to probably change it. I don't really have a category for that, surprisingly. Well, yeah, I really don't. I probably should, but anyway, let's change it to cars miscellaneous. Let's change this to publish. Now we add the tag. Hand washing your car. Update post. Okay, so now we don't have, for the next few days, not every article will be in the same category, okay? So that's kind of important. We've got 2 on buying new cars, 1 in green vehicles, 1 in the miscellaneous category. Let's move on down. Let's do this one. It's an auction. Wholesale. Well, I'm going to get rid of that. And that was going to be for the 9th. And again, change the time. And we're going to change the category to car auctions, which is right here, because that's what this is about. Change this to published. Add the tag, wholesale car auctions. Click update post. All right. Anyway, so now if I refresh this page, you'll see a new schedule. There you go. So I just scheduled these 5 articles. The ones I just did under drafts are now, when you refresh the page, now show up in a scheduled column, which was not there before. So there we go. We've got car auctions, car miscellaneous, buy new cars, green cars. I've got, again, I've got a lot of different categories. And you'll have ones that'll be car loans or car scams, car shipping, all that kind of stuff. So again, the goal is to sit down and start from the list of websites. I will put all the articles into draft mode. You go to the drafts and you want to start with today. If there has been no article, then publish one immediately for today. And then just start auto scheduling them. So here what I just did in a few minutes is we've got May 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and you will do this all the way for the next month. That means that you'll sit down once a month and go through all my websites and schedule all the articles for the next 30 days. And then we're done with that site for the next month. And that way I can have you do some other tasks.